Now shut up and drive, 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 drive. Shut up and drive, drive, drive.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Swanley. Here leaving is first train of the day, 319444 on the 1518 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to West Hampstead. As I have no idea what this is. This must be incredibly early. But that's to Otford International, I'm guessing from London Victoria. As 319444 goes off in the distance. So, as you probably guessed, today I am at Swanley on the Southeastern main line, and services, as you've just seen, will be provided by by Southeastern and ThamesLink. We will see what is next to arrive or depart. I'm actually going to move my camera over here a bit. I'm still behind the yellow line, so you safety freaks, don't worry. Oh no, I know what this is. This is the 1520 Southeastern Metro service, I'm guessing Metro, from London Victoria to Otford International. And that's just leaving now. That is 375623. And we will see what is next to arrive or depart or pass here at Swanley on the Southeastern main line. And now arriving, we have the 1525 ThamesLink service from West Hampstead, I think. Yeah, from West Hampstead ThamesLink to Sevenoaks. And this is formed of 700-016. I must say I prefer the 12-car versions of these. I mean, there's no difference apart from how long they are. But, you know, longer trains are majestic trains. And also, surprise, this is a ThamesLink train. It's early. And we will actually, I've got my notes. There should be a passing as this departs, so I'll just keep filming. Easier. Those 700s. I know why JD loves them so much now. They are handsome trains. They are really handsome trains. And did I mention they have sidebands to die for? Yep, and now passing, as 700-016 departs, is 375622 and 75810 with the 1526 Southeastern Pass from Ramsgate to London Victoria as 700-016 departs. They announce passes late at this station. I'm actually going by the announcements, and I saw the headlights as they were saying the next train at platform 3 does not stop here. So they announce passes really late but stops really early. It's really weird. But so far, a great place. And first impressions, I forgot to do those. First impressions, Swanley looks like a lovely area. Absolutely brilliant. It's in Zone 6, I do believe. So Oyster cards will work, which is always a bonus. And it just looks like a lovely little station. 4 platforms, stoppers mainly on the outside, and fasts on the inside, as you'd expect. And all in all, a really nice looking station. And we will catch what is next to arrive or pass. And now passing by is 375713 on the 1531 Southeastern pass from London Victoria to Dover Priory. And we'll see what's next to arrive or depart. Okay, one thing I will say, actually, about Swanley is this is a typical London thing. Any London station will have this. But there's a lot of noise from the roads. And and looking at my notes, we're supposed to have a number of freight trains coming through. They might not. Freight trains always only run when needed. So, we might not, but we might. And those cars, there's enough of them, they sound like a diesel engine, so yeah, it keeps tricking me into thinking that there's going to be a train coming. So yeah, we'll see what happens when the next train's coming through. Or stopping. I have no idea anymore. And now arriving in is the early, by 2 minutes, 1541 Southeastern service from Canterbury West to London Victoria. No, this train is now on time. Sorry. And it is formed of something I can't see, but we'll get it on its departure. So that is the 1541 Southeastern service from Canterbury West to London Victoria, which we will catch on its departure. The number of which we will catch on its departure. And now leaving is the 1541 Southeastern service from Canterbury West to London Victoria. This is formed of 375816. And she's off in the distance. And now pulling in is the 1548 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Canterbury West, formed of 375820. And also pulling in is the 1548 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to London Blackfriars, formed of 319012. Both of which pulled in on time. A surprise for a Govia company. We'll catch these two when they depart. And now departing is the 1548 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to London Blackfriars. This train is formed of 319012 and something else in the rear. And also now departing is 375820 on the similarly timed Southeastern service from Victoria to Canterbury West. I think I'll focus on the 319. I prefer this. And on the back of the 319 set, the number of which is on the other side, I'll get it afterwards. So that's 319012 and 319445. Literally 9 off JD Stalker, which has already gone off to Northern, so we won't be seeing that, thank goodness. And she's off in the distance. And now passing by is 375618 That's 375618 on the perfectly on time actually. 1556 pass from Dover Priory to London Victoria, as we wait upon a delayed ThamesLink service. Hooray! And now arriving in to platform 2 is the somewhat delayed 1556 ThamesLink service from West Hampstead ThamesLink to Sevenoaks. This is formed of 319443 and 319421. Let's start to get the train. Let's start to For the curious among you, this has been delayed by 2 minutes off its departure time, which means it's probably going to be 3 minutes off. But this is 319443 and 319421 off to Sevenoaks from West Hampstead. And now getting ready to depart is the 2 minutes delayed ThamesLink service from West Hampstead to Sevenoaks, formed of 319443 and 319421. With a lovely noise as it departs. And she's off in the distance. And now passing through is 375714 and 375305 off to Ramsgate from London Victoria. That kind of snuck up on me there, but that's the 1601 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Ramsgate. And now pulling in is 466030 and 465906, forming the slightly early Southeastern Metro service from London Victoria to Rainham. That's 1608, it's pulling in at 1607. And she stopped. We'll catch that on departure. And now arriving in is the 1609 Southeastern Metro service from Ashford International to London Victoria, as the 1608 Southeastern Metro service from London Victoria to Rainham departs. The approaching service is formed of 465921 and something else on the back. The departing service is formed of something that you saw in the last clip. I actually can't remember. But this is 465921 and something else on the back. We will catch the rear unit on its departure. And now departing is the 1609 Southeastern Metro service from Ashford International to London Victoria, formed of 465921 and something else on the rear, which we will get in a very short moment. Brilliant noise from those trains. And the back is 466003. Come on, Southeastern, give me something I haven't seen already. Actually, I think 921's a new one. Oh, and a lovely show of sparks there. You can always count on networkers and 1972 stocks to provide brilliant sparks. And that is just my point for the 465s. Anyway, that is off in the distance. And now arriving is something that I have no idea. Let's have a look. Just check the notes. 16, 17. Yep, I know this one. This is the 1617, very early, 1617 Southeastern Metro service from Dover Priory to London Victoria. This is basically the same one I was on, but an hour later. And it looks like it's 9... Actually, no, I won't say, because I'll just mess it up when I'm watching the video back and making marks in my rail guide. So let's catch the number when it departs. And now preparing to depart is the still very early 1617. Oh no, it's pretty much on time, never mind that. 1617 Southeastern Metro service from Dover Priory to London Victoria. And this is formed of 465907 and nothing else. Those networkers, they're amazing. They are brilliant trains. Why replace them now? And it looks like, or it sounds like, there could be a train approaching the ThamesLink platforms, which are of course 1 and 2. Oh dear, kicking the tripod everywhere. There it is, and it is a 700. Again, well, I'm not going to say one of my favourites. I do have more favourite trains, but very nice trains nonetheless. And this is going to be formed, or this is formed, of 700-016. Second time we've seen that one today. And that is actually pulling in on time. And we'll catch this when it departs, or if the train on platform 2 that's being announced right now arrives early. As 700-016 prepares to leave, we now have approaching the 1620, or 1619 Southeastern service, Metro service, from London Victoria to Ashford International, as the 1618 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to St Albans departs. And the Southeastern is formed of 465934, and the ThamesLink is formed of 700-016. I just realised I forgot to close the window on the train I was on the way up. Oops. Networker etiquette, when you get off, close the window, and I just completely forgot it. But that has stopped. And now departing is 465934 on the 1620 Southeastern Metro service from London Victoria to Ashford International. She's gone. And now approaching is the 1625 ThamesLink service from West Hampstead ThamesLink to Sevenoaks. And it is formed of 700-030. this stops, I'm going to keep the camera rolling, because probably just before this leaves, there's going to be a service passing through on platform 3. I'm going to take more pictures of 700 because 700's just like... And now leaving is 700 030 on the 60 and 25 ThamesLink service from West Hampstead to Sevenoaks. And we now await the 1526 Southeastern pass from Ramsgate to London Victoria. Which I'll keep the camera rolling for. I'll just edit bits out if it gets way too long, because I can do that. I might just stop recording and then start again when I see the light's reflection in the glass, because there's like windows and posters and stuff on that platform. They've got shiny coatings and stuff. And now getting ready to pass through is the 1631, I think. Yeah, 1631. This is formed of 375 810 and 375 622 on the 1631 pass from London Victoria to Priory. We are still waiting on the 1626 pass. And now, sneaking up on me a bit there, is the 1636 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to St Albans. This is formed of 319-421 and I'm assuming 319-443. And we will catch that on its departure. And now getting ready to depart is 319-421 and what I'm assuming is 319-443 on the 1636 ThamesLink service from Sevenoaks to St Albans. And this, sneaking up on me a bit there, making me jump, is the 1638 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Rainham, formed of 465933, and on the back of that is indeed 319-443. And that's off in the distance. I just realised that is the train I caught here. 465933 was the train I caught. I failed to check if my window was still open though. Oops. And just as I paused the recording, 465933 is now ready to leave with the 1638 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Rainham, Kent. And it's off in the distance. And now pulling in is the 1640 Southeastern Metro service from Canterbury West to London Victoria. And it has disappeared behind the building. There it is. Unfortunately, I cannot read the numbers. My eyesight isn't that good. So we'll catch what the numbers are as it departs. And that has indeed stopped. And now getting ready to depart is the 1640 Southeastern service from Canterbury West to London Victoria. Come on. It doesn't take long to go ding 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 ding. It really doesn't. I've done it in trains and departed much quicker. There you go. And this is formed of 375 6th. It's formed of 375 630. With first class, for some reason, in the middle. And it's not even at the London end of its carriage. Because that makes total and complete sense. And that is now off in the distance. And now passing by is 375-614 and 375-605 on the highly delayed 1626 pass from Ramsgate to London Victoria. For the reference, that is 18 minutes late, if that is what I think it is, which I think it is. I think I said I think it is a bit too much in that sentence, but oh well. And now arriving at platform 2 is the 1648 Southeastern service from London Victoria to Ashford International. Do I need to say Metro anymore? I hope not, because this is what it is, Southeastern Metro. It is formed of 377504. I caught one of the new ones, one of their new 277. I've caught it at the 377504 on the front, and 377502 on the in the middle, no, on the back. And lots of very weird looks from people on the train. They are in a different shade of blue. They are in a different shade. And now arriving in, also in platform 1, is a ThamesLink 700 for Bedford from Sevenoaks. It is nice seeing the 377s over on Southeastern now. That is the blue that Southeastern should have chosen. And the ThamesLink service is 700-005. I think that picture I just took of the 377 and the 700 should be my thumbnail, because why not? And just now ready to depart is 377504 and 377502 to Ashford International from London Victoria on the... and it is leaving on time actually, so the 377s have done wonders for Southeastern. And now ready to depart is 700-005 on the 1648 ThamesLink service to Bedford from Sevenoaks, with some sort of weird light on in the pantograph area. It is nice seeing those 700s. And that is now off in the distance. And now approaching into platform 2 is the delayed 1655 ThamesLink service from West Hampstead ThamesLink to Sevenoaks. I have a feeling this is that we've seen already today for some reason. No, it is not. This is 319-003. with 319008 Cheriton on the rear. It's always nice to see it. It's always nice to see Cheriton. Know that she's still with ThamesLink. And we will catch that when it departs, or if something other happens. And now, getting ready to depart is 319-003 and 319-008 Cheriton, off to Sevenoaks from West Hampstead. And now passing is 375 at 618 and 375 816 on the 1701, which is now on time. 1701 pass from London Victoria to Dover Priory. That was very scatterbrained, but yes, that was a train and it did pass. And we'll catch what is next to arrive and or pass. Actually, it should be all passes from now until my last train of the day. Given that it is coming close to the train I have to get back home. And the next train to pass through platform 4 is going to be our final train of the day. The 1705 pass from London Cannon Street to Ramsgate. This is formed of 375 and 612 and 375 809. Right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. This has been Swanley. Sorry, this has been Swanley, and if you have enjoyed, please do leave a like and a subscribe. And I will see you at my next station, which is Sittingbourne. See you then. Bye.